Today we have with us the latest crossover from Fiat, the Aventura. We show you what are the features on the car and how you can use them. This is the remote key of the Aventura. As you can see, it has an option to unlock the car, lock the car and open the boot lid at the press of a button. Press the silver button and the key swings open. This is the key. You press it in the ignition and turn it on. On the Fiat Aventura, you need not press the clutch to turn on the car. The Fiat Aventura comes with steering height adjust only. You see this knob here, push it down and you can adjust the steering up or down according to your height. Once you're done adjusting, pull the knob back up to ensure that it's in place. This is the infotainment center on the Fiat Aventura. Press this button and the infotainment center comes alive. This knob out here will help you to regulate the volume. Turn it to the right to increase the volume, turn it to the left to decrease the volume. The menu button will help you choose whether you want the AF on or the AM on and the other options. Once you click on media, you can choose what source of music do you want to play, be it the aux or the USB. The audio button out here will help you control the music options such as bass and treble. Again, to increase or decrease them, you need to use the volume knob. You see this button out here, it will help you eject your CDs as well as the FM and AM buttons are present in order to choose your desired radio band. You can also mute the music at the touch of a button by pressing this one. And in order to open the boot lid, all you need to do is just press this button. The air conditioning controls, which are also part of the infotainment system, are right here. Press this button in to turn on the AC and you can accordingly choose what blower speed you want. Accordingly, you can choose the regulated temperature by using this knob here. Turn it all the way to the red and it gets hot. Keep it in the blue zone and it stays cool. And again, with this knob, you can choose the direction in which you want the air blower. The most interesting feature about the Fiat Aventura in terms of interiors are these three dials above the AC vents. This dial works like a compass. It gives you the direction. This one gives you the incline angle and you will actually see it move up or down as you keep on tackling inclines, whereas this one shows you the decline angle. The Aventura comes with dual interior lights. Press this button and both the lights start. You can choose the intensity of the light as well. This one leaves it at a dimmer intensity, whereas this one brings it at a higher intensity. Press this button and the lights go off. The Aventura comes with a passenger side vanity mirror, which is right here. The rear view mirror on the Fiat Aventura comes with a night mode option as well. Pull this in and you can use it to avoid the reflection of the other cars while driving at night. Push it out and it's ready to use during the daytime. The Aventura comes with height adjustable driver seats. You see this lever? Just keep on pulling it up in order to raise the height and you go on pushing it down in order to bring down the height. Since the Fiat Aventura is a European spec car, the indicators as well as the lights are on the left side of the steering wheel. You turn it up to indicate towards the right, you pull it down to indicate towards the left. Also, you see this knob, turn it on, turn it down, that's how you can turn on the lights of your car. You see these buttons here, these ones adjust the intensity of the fog lamps as well as the high beam lamps. This button here, press this on and the fog lamp turns on, whereas by pressing this button and then the plus and minus sign, you can accordingly adjust the intensity of the lights. These buttons here will help you adjust the mirrors. Press the knob in and you can adjust the right side mirror by simply pressing this button down, up or on the outside or on the inside. Similarly, the same can be implemented for the left hand side rear view mirror just by pressing the button onto the left. Once you're done adjusting both the mirrors, make sure the button stays in the middle. You can adjust the backrest of your seat by simply pulling this lever and either rolling it all the way back or bringing it out front and then letting it go. In order to open the bonnet, all you need to do is just pull this lever up. Once you've opened the bonnet from the inside, you will see a lever towards the right side of the logo. Pull that up and the bonnet will open. Pull this stick out, engage it in here, and your bonnet is open. The fuel cap can be opened by simply pulling this lever up. The Aventura has a tailgate mounted spare wheel. Once you've pressed the button on the inside, opening this is a very simple mechanism. There is a lever here, you just need to press it in and the spare wheel opens up. Once that's been done, all you need to do is just lift the tailgate up. The wiper fluid funnel of the Fiat Aventura is on the right hand side. You see this cap here, flip it open and then just go on pouring water. With this knob out here, you can turn on the wiper, including adjusting its speed. At this broad button, the speed is going to be at its maximum, whereas you can also reduce its intensity. Bring it at 0 and the wiper will stop.